Hello everybody. My name is Shiva. As you know, we are very close to this Ganesh festival. Today I am going to show you how to make Ganesha idol with soil, wet soil. Okay. So I brought this much of clay soil, wet soil. Since nowadays it's raining, so you will get from your garden. So very simple way I will show you how to make Ganesh in few minutes. Okay. So from this soil, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make some kind of a balls. So this is the ball for the stomach, belly. Okay. Then this is for the head, and this is for the base, and two balls for the legs, two balls for hands, and one ball for trunk, and two balls for ears. So you see, so totally some 10 to 11 balls I created here. So depend upon the different size of the pot. So first what we will do is we will take the base. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to press 3 times here. So 1, 2, 3. So 3 times I pressed here. So this is become the base for the Ganesha. So your base is ready. Then you take the stomach, the belly. Okay. So what you need to do is just back side of two in the center, but just back side of this base. You just fix this belly. Okay, and make it fix like this so that it will not move. Then you take the legs here. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. The same way hands also. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So 2 legs, 2 hands. So what you need to do, you take the leg and you just bend it like this at the end, and one more leg, bend it like this. So your 2 legs, and the hands you just need to make the V shape. V shape. Okay. So you see here, 2 legs, two hands, 2 legs. Then what you need to do is you need to fix here. Okay, you take this base and stomach. Okay. Then you keep it like this. Then this leg, keep it like this. Okay, and at the end bend it like this. Okay, now you have 2 legs. Then take the 2 hands, keep it like this, and keep it like this, bend it like this. Okay, then at the end again you press like this, you press like this end also. So now you see your two legs and your 2 hands is ready. Okay, then next take the head part and again fix it like this. Okay, you can make fine adjustments. Okay, so now you see your legs are ready, your hands are ready, your head is ready. Okay, then what you need to do is take the trunk part again, 1, 2, 3. Okay, make the cone shape at end. Okay, then fix it like this, bend it like this, and again one more bend. Just press it like this. Okay, now this is 2 ears. Okay, make it round and fix it like this. Okay, then so 1, 2, 3. Just fine adjustments. Okay, now you see your Ganesha is ready, almost already. Okay, then finally what you can do is you can make this Egnopavitam to Ganesha. So something like this you can put a small thread to him, and you can take a small ball. Then you can take one eye here. Okay, one more small ball and keep it one more eye here. So 2 eyes over. Then take it small part and fix it as a teeth, one teeth and one more teeth here, so two teeths are over. Okay, then we don't have any tools, but I'm just taking a small piece of paper, just make it like this, 1 2 3, so that this is some kind of a namas to the Ganesha. Then make a small ball and fix it on the namas. Okay, so you're ready, right? Then one more thing, you can do many things actually if you have time and if you're still interested. So you take the small ball and you make it like this and you just fix it like this. So this is the crown for Ganesha. One more step. Okay, finally you just make a small ball again. Okay, now you see. So you can do small adjustments as well. Okay, now your Ganesha is ready. Very small Ganesha, environmental friendly Ganesha, and you can dissolve in water also very quickly without going outside. And happy Ganesha festival. Thank you.